What's the latest with Hurricane Helene recovery? Hey, it's Alan Lang with Kinetic talking a little bit about the storms that rolled through Florida and Georgia and South Carolina and North Carolina and Tennessee last week. Just a tremendous amount of devastation. We had people pre-positioned in storm shelters in Florida as early as Monday night and have been doing disaster recovery staffing work for going on 19 years now. Hurricane Katrina started in 2005. K for Katrina is also the K for Kinetic. That's really where we really got started in the disaster recovery business and have been privileged to work throughout the country with accounting firms and law firms and engineering firms and governmental entities responding to disasters of all sorts. And it is tremendously rewarding work. It not only helps the people it's intended to help, which are the victims who lose homes and businesses and all of that sort of thing, but also the people who work in those positions to help reestablish their lives as well. A lot of times those positions are used as a fulcrum to get back into an affected area that they may be from, that they got blown out of. And so it is really, really do good, do well work at the same time. And it's something that we're really committed to. So again, prayers go out to those affected in the storm damaged areas. I'd encourage you to give as you're able. We're choosing Samaritan's Purse. They're an organization that's done a tremendous amount of good. I know they're mobilizing heavily in Florida and North Carolina right now, particularly. And so there'll be a link that you can follow to give as you're able or give however you choose. But keep those folks in your thoughts and prayers. And again, it's Alan Lang with Kinetic, and we look forward to staying in touch.